How much does it cost to flip a house? This is a question investors ask when they are interested in fixing and flipping a property for quick profit. Today we can break down the basics of figuring the cost to flip a particular property so that you can make the most strategic choice. After consulting various expert opinions, the average cost to flip a house falls between $20,000 to $70,000, but it can be below or above these figures depending on specific circumstances. A thorough home inspection will give you a good idea about how much to expect to pay for repairs, and if the expense is too high to make the house a good flip. Follow the 70% rule. Use the 70% rule to figure how much you should spend on a particular investment. Since the amount you can spend on renovations is based on the house's original price and after repair value, ARV, this rule offers you a hard number to stick to. So, if the house's full market value is $250,000 after repairs, multiply that number by 0.7 to get $175,000. Then, deduct the cost of estimated repairs. If the house needs around $50,000 of work, subtract $50,000 from $175,000 to get $125,000 as the ideal offer price. After acquiring the property, you'll need to budget for renovation costs. This includes the cost of materials, labor, and any necessary permits. It's crucial to have a detailed plan and estimate for the renovations to avoid unexpected expenses. Depending on the extent of the project, it could take weeks to months to flip a house. This means you'll need to be comfortable enough financially to renovate, market, and sell the project and ensure that the profit you gain from the sale more than makes up for what you spent. The shorter the project, the less you pay to hold it while it sells. The longer the project, the more you pay. To ensure you're on your financial plan, keep track of all the expenses and maintain a detailed record. This will not only help you stay organized, but also provide valuable information for potential investor tax breaks. For the best results, find a trustworthy CPA who can advise you on deductible expenses and expected capital gains taxes for your house flipping business. Good marketing will make it possible to sell your home more quickly, which is what every house flipper wants and needs. Once the renovations are complete, it's time to focus on marketing and listing the home for sale. Accept the best offer. This is where your real estate agent plays an especially critical role. Follow their advice about your house's top dollar in the current market and be flexible and open to negotiations to ensure a successful sale. Flipping a house can be a profitable venture, but it requires careful planning, budgeting, and execution. By considering all the necessary expenses, being efficient with time, and working with reliable contractors, you can increase your chances of a successful and lucrative house flip.